let's go for a little walk, shall we? Go get her. Just a little bit of snow, they said. You know, about 20 inches or so, they said. Does that look like freaking 20 inches to you? I don't think so. What are you guys doing? Cabras, we're going this way. You can't handle it out in the woods, you old fart. Come on, honey. Come on. That's right, get your fuzzy butt over here. We're still going. There's the truck. I feel like we're kind of embracing a whole Donald Trump hairdo thing going on. You know, whatever. It is still snowing. Still snowing. Chickens are not impressed. Not at all. Good thing I burned stuff the other day, because there's no getting in the backyard that way. Cleared off a couple icicles because they were taller than I am. You know. Great. But hey, the neighbor didn't run over the well yet. That's cool. And I'm practicing for the 2018 whatever toboggan races here. Let's go, guys. Come on. Come on, Cara. Bring it in the rear.